Assalamu alaikum dear students. As we have started Unit 4 Commercial Banking, and today we will cover our new topic, compound profit. First of all, our objectives. At the end of the topic, you people will be able to know about compound profit, and after that you can solve problems involving compound profit. But first of all, we will do a recap of last week's lesson. What is profit? The return which is given by the bank to us in exchange of using our funds is called profit. The extra amount which we pay to the bank for using the borrowed money is called markup. What is principal amount? The amount which is deposited, invested and borrowed is called principal amount. The percentage of the profit charged is called rate. When the profit or markup is added to the principal, the sum is called the total amount. Now today's topic, compound profit. What is compound profit? If the profit or markup is calculated on amount for the next year, keep in your mind, next year the profit markup will be called compound, or in other words, profit on profit along with principal amount is compound profit. But first of all, we have to find final amount. What is the formula for finding final amount? This is the formula for finding final amount, and after finding final amount, you can easily find compound profit by using final amount minus principal amount. So keep it in your mind that what is the difference between compound profit and simple profit. Compound profit means profit on profit along with principal amount is compound profit. Now we will solve problems relating to compound profit. Exercise number 4.2. Question number 11. Find the compound profit on rupees 5,000 for 2 years at 11 whole 3/4% per annum compound yearly. As you know, key point for solving word problem is first of all taking out data from the given word problem, and in data we will have principal amount, rate. Here we have rate in mixed number, mixed fraction, convert it into a decimal so that we can solve it easily. What is the time for getting compound profit? It is 2 years. First of all, we will find final amount, and after finding final amount, we will find compound profit. Now use formula for finding final amount. This is the formula for finding final amount. Use the values. Principal amount is 5,000, rate is 11.75 and time is 2 years. After simplification, 100 plus 1175, you will get this. Now by dividing 11.75 with 100, you will get 1.175 whole square. Take it square, multiply 5,000 with this, you will get 6244.03. this is your final amount. But in question, what is the question? Calculate compound profit. Now we will use the formula for finding compound profit. That would be final amount minus principal amount. Our final amount is 6,244.03 and our principal amount was 5,000. After solving it, we will get the profit, and that profit is compound profit. This is the compound profit of 2 years, which is 1244.03. Now next example. exercise number 4.2, question number 13. Javed invest rupees 800 at 12 whole 1 over 2% per annum compound profit, compounded half yearly. Now this is the point and the time is half yearly. Keep this point in your mind. Now what is the amount at the end of first year? So what is the first point? Take out data. Principal amount is rupees 800. Rate is 12 whole 1 over 2%. Convert this mixed fraction into a simple fraction, and then this simple fraction into a decimal. That would be 12.5% per annum. It means per year the rate is 12.5%. Time is 1 year, but this 1 year would be divided into 2 terms of half year. Why 2 terms of half year? Because that profit is compounded half yearly. So in 1 year, when we divide 1 year into 2 terms, it would be half yearly and it would become 2 terms, and this then rate would be 12.5 divided by 2. And after dividing by 2, why we are dividing by 2? Because the compound profit is half yearly, and in a year there would be 2 terms, so we will divide this rate by 2, and after dividing this rate 12.2, we will get 6.25. Why half yearly? Because profit is compounded half yearly. This is the key point. This would be the difference between the remaining questions. You have to be very careful while writing time, while observing time, while observing terms for the compound profit. As there are half yearly, so we will divide our rate into 2 terms. It would be 6.25 half yearly. After writing formula, final amount is equals to principal amount 1 plus rate over 100 raised to part time. As time was half yearly and in a year there would be 2 terms, 2 period, so we will put time is equals to 2. Rate would be half, 6.25. Similarly solve it. After simplification, after taking this square, after multiplying 800 with this term, you will get 903.13. so in the last, the amount at the end of the year is 903.13. this is the final answer for solving this question. Now by keeping all these points in your mind, you can solve remaining parts and remaining questions of this exercise. And now recap. As today our topic was compound profit, so you should know the difference between simple profit and compound profit. Simple profit is a simple profit per year, but compound profit is profit on profit along with principal amount is compound profit. And for compound profit, first of all we have to find the final amount. This is the formula for final amount, and after finding final amount we have to find compound profit, and this is the formula for finding compound profit. Now this is your task. Keep all the points, all the formulas and basic steps in your mind. You people will be able to solve exercise number 4.2, question number 11, question number 12, 13 and 14. So do your work and complete your work on time and submit it as soon as possible. Thank you so much.